Alright, today we've got a KAKA laptop computer bag. So this is a backpack style. I didn't think this was a laptop bag. It says laptop computer bag, but this is more of a backpack, I believe. So this is a pretty cool looking backpack, just opening it up. Make sure I get it all there in the camera. You've got these fancy little, what are they good for? But they look neat. Some extra straps. Are you really going to strap anything up here? I doubt it. You know what? I might actually, though. This might be a good place for a tripod if I were to go out and do any photography. You've got a nice large pocket there. The zippers seem pretty well made. But you do have to watch out going around corners for that extra little flap on zippers. I mean, that's pretty much every backpack known to man, though. Up here you've also got another big pocket. Oh, I think I've got something stuck behind there, or the zipper's not lined up, one of the two. There's nothing behind it. So it is just awkward going around the corners. So this pocket's pretty deep, goes all the way down, and then up there for an overhang. You've got the clips, so if you wanted to pack it full of stuff, you could expand it and it could get a little bit fatter. Over here you've got a mesh pocket, put a bottle of water, and then this is not elastic, so you do have to loosen or tighten that up as well. Same thing on this other side too. Mesh pocket with the tight strap, so you can tighten that down, and then also the clip as well. So now let's get into the main pocket. So we open it up. And we can undo these clips now, since we're going to open the whole thing up and show you the inside. Inside there's a couple of other pockets. This is on the flap on the front. Pens, pencils, whatever might go in there. You've also got, this is probably where your laptop would go. Let me see if I can fit one in. You've got your standard 15.4-inch laptop here. That fits very nicely. Strap it in, good to go. So this is a good backpack, I guess, to take with you for, probably just if you're going around the city somewhere and you needed a little bit more stuff, or you needed a better bag to bring stuff. You didn't want to wear, just the laptop bag that goes over your shoulder and have a shoulder bag like that. This way you get the padded mesh and padded, so that way you can actually wear this probably without a shirt and it'll still be pretty cool. It won't get too tight on you or make you sweat or anything. And then the same thing here on the back, you've got some pads. Pads here for your lower back, pads here for your shoulder blades, and then of course, the pads on the shoulder as well. So it's a pretty interesting bag. You've got your clip. Nobody ever uses those anymore either. And it is adjustable too, the straps. This up here is the hard plastic. It's not bending. It might bend a little bit. This will be good for if you wanted to carry it by this as well. You wouldn't have to have your, the sides of your hands crinkled up or anything whenever you're carrying that. And these do break on occasion because it's what gets hung on the hooks a lot. So having this hard plastic, probably not going to have that get broken by hanging it on any hooks anywhere. So it's a pretty cool bag. I like this. Happy to have gotten it to review. Any questions, comments, make sure to let me know. Probably use it for a little while. I don't think I'm going to be using it for my laptop, but laptop does fit. And the bag itself doesn't really weigh a whole lot either. So, I did get the bag for free in exchange for the review. So any questions, comments, let me know, and then after I get done using it for a while, we'll write up the review and see what we think of it. So, all right, thanks guys.